What's going on, everybody? Today we're building up a GT Pro Freestyle Tour. This was painted by C4 Lab in the US. White frame, cash roll, American bottom bracket, 990 brake on the bottom, the little coaster mount over here, 1-inch headset, and a little curve on the frame. Very beautiful looking frame. Next thing, we got the Performer bars. We got the layback GT seat post, the 1-inch GT forks. From there, we got Primo hollow bite cranks, a blue 1-inch headset, Diacomp Tech 77 levers, Diacomp 990 brakes, and a nip-in front brake, Amy grips, SE saddle, American bottom brackets, a white cam C chain. We got a blue C-post clamp, the SE bikes wheels, and some Kenda old school freestyle tires. So just letting you know, some things might change during this build. We still need to add a stem and a couple other things. So stay tuned and let's get to the build.
Here I
What's going on, everybody? We are finishing up this white GT Pro Freestyle Tour Team Edition. Let's go through all the parts with you. We have these Amy blue and white grips, Tech 77 levers, Odyssey gyro cable, GT bars, GT mallet stem with a 1-inch gyro, a blue 1-inch headset, Diacom nip and brakes, GT forks with Kenda white tires, SE wheel set with blue valve caps, Haro Fusion pedals, Primo hollow bike cranks, and an Odyssey battle gear sprocket with a pink KMC chain. We have an MX clamp with a GT seat post and an SE lightning bolt seat. On the back we have the Kenda tire with an ACS freewheel and some GT standers. So let us know what you think of this beautiful 80s GT. Comment below and let us know if you've ever had an 80s GT BMX. And thanks for watching this old school build. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon.